Good morning, guys. I hope you have had a great day yesterday, and I hope you have a great day today. It's Friday. Really thankful for that. Just wanted to remind you to take your test from yesterday if you didn't take it, or your summative assessment. I know we talked about not having summatives, but with it being the continuation of the year, we have to have them, but they won't be like the Illuminate test that are more complicated. They'll be more like yesterday's, which overall, what I see, you guys have done okay, or you guys have done well. Excuse me, not just okay, you've done really well. And yes, if I need to reassess, I will. I'll send you a message about that. So anyway, let's get on to today. So of course, your announcements for today will be here. By the way, I want you to read this at the bottom. It says, if you're interested in a summer review packet to prepare you for coordinate algebra, I've added a Google Classroom code for Ms. Thompson for you to use throughout the summer. She's got a plan for you, and she's got some stuff put together. It's optional, but it's a great opportunity. So take a look at that, and I'm going to send it out on Remind as well. So today, you're just going to watch the videos, and then let me save this. Okay. Then you're going to go to classwork, and this will be under, Learn from Home Week 5, and you'll click on that, and it's all it is a video slide. It's videos inside a slide. You will not need to make your own copy. So this is not something you're going to be working in. So you're going to just watch the two videos, and then you're going to pay attention to the notes, and then you're going to print them off if you can. Okay, so you don't need your own version of this, so you don't have anything to turn in, but I do want you to click I'm done, and when you go back to your classwork, once you've watched the videos, there should be an I'm done button. I want you to click I'm done once you've watched both of those videos and you've either copied your notes by hand or printed them off or kept them where you can actually get to them, because we're going to use those a lot next week. Okay, and we'll get more into those, but I wanted to give you a basic understanding of where we're headed, so you won't be so we can just leave off the week with just an idea of where we're going for next week. So you'll click this video first, and when you click it, there's a little box on the right hand corner that will enlarge it, that you can click and enlarge. So you don't have to watch it that small. You want to enlarge it, and then you can hit escape to get out of it. And then you want to watch this next video. It's my addition to his video. I added something in at about 4 minutes and 23 seconds. I wanted to add something in, plus I went over the notes, and that's it. Now, the one thing I want you to do, if you finish this early, which you probably will, you need to make sure you've done every other assignment. I've got several missing grades, and I want you to be able to get those done and not be affected. If you're having trouble with something, or if you're overwhelmed with the stuff, give me a message. Not just overwhelmed with the video, but if you are pretty far behind and you need some help, anything like that, you just send me a message, let me know how I can help you. Have a great day.